Tony, yeah. This is new for you, di ba? Ang magkaroon ng... I don't know if this is new for you as an actor. Pero, what are the challenges you encounter doing this film, erotic film, dito sa first Sine-Silid Film Festival? What can you share to us, yung memorable experience nyo, yung challenges you encounter doing this film? First, Tony. At kayo yung nasa poster, no? Di ba?
Yes. Ako po ba?
Yeah, Tony and Martin.
You wanna go first? So yung challenges for me is like, I'm saludo sa mga nag-Viva Max or like bold, because that means like you're quite comfortable in your own skin to be able to present yourself that way. And honestly, I always tell people I'm a good catfish. Like what you see online is just the best version of me, but you know, like I'm not really that confident in my body. Like I can't just show up on set naked. Like that's not something I'm even confident, because I don't even think my body looks that nice. So, you know, that was a really huge hurdle for me. I really told direct, like, okay, these are the parts of my body that I don't know. You have to edit some. You have to edit this because I don't think this looks nice, and or I'm insecure about this angle. And yeah, like just showing up on set, and it's a different kind of vulnerability. Like it's not just your emotions. Now you're like literally revealing yourself. You're like your physical body. So for me, that was really challenging. And for me, that's the most challenging part about this. Yeah, it's like you're gonna bare yourself, like a side of yourself, to all these people who get to see it and will judge like your physical appearance. But because with our movie, it was really so much fun. Kasi like it was really fun. Like all of our scenes were so fun. So for me, it's just the physical aspect of it.
But before Martin, follow up ko lang, gano'ng kadiring yung role mo?
You'll have to watch the movie to find out, right?
Okay, thank you, Tony. Si Martin naman. Sa poster pa lang, grabe yung poster.
Sa akin naman po, hindi naman po bago sa akin yung paggawa ng mga sexy na roles. Pero yun nga, ang masasabi ko, ito yata yung pinaka-daring kong ginawa. Kaya kung challenging siya kasi gaya nga sinabi ni Tony na parang may yung paghuhubad, yung pagpapakita ng skin, parang vulnerability nga na may mga actors yan. And not just me, including my co-actors. Kaya we're very lucky na meron kaming intimacy workshop para ma-explore yung boundaries ng isa't isa. Kasi pwede naman mangyari yung, sige maghubad tayo, gawin natin yung best natin dito sa mga sex scenes, maghubad tayo. Pero at least may respeto. Alam mo kung when to stop, kung kailan yung pwede mong itodo. So, ayun, yun yung mas exciting and challenging part of doing erotic films.
Doing to, speaking of todo, gano'ng kadiring din yung role nito? Tinodo mong...
medyo, daring, maraming dilaan ng tsokolating. Actually magaganda, tastefully done. Maganda yung mga sex scenes dito. Parang, narinig ko kanina may sumagot, para siyang art pagpapanoorin, hindi siya bastos. May gustong message na iparating.
Okay, thank you and congratulations, everyone. Thank you, Phoebe.
Thank you. Oh.
May safety protocol. Hindi. Paano ba namin ginawang safe? Pero sa akin kasi importante yung rapport. So first and foremost, dahil due to limitation of the budget, I work with my friends, you know, industry colleagues, ganyan, people who have helped me build this film. So may ganong comfort na I was working with people I know. And then, rapport building din with actors that, you know, matagal ko nang kakilala. Except si Tony, na talagang very grateful ako na tinanggap niya itong project na to. Siguro yung paano ginagawa yung safety, mahalaga sa akin yung naiintindihan nila yung ginagawa nila. Na, importante sa akin yung comfort. Kaya yung sinasabi ni Tony na struggle niya na yun, importante sa akin yun as the filmmaker na I made sure na kung ano man, kahit sabihin ko sa kanya na hindi naman pero kung he feels na uncomfortable siya, kahit sabihin ko na maganda siya, susundin ko yung gusto niya. Kasi importante sa akin yung comfort ng artista. Dahil totoo yun, na pag naguhubad sila sa'yo, di lang naman sila basta nagpapakita ng balat, di ba? Nagpapakita sila ng katawan. na kaunting tao lamang ang pwedeng nakakita. So that level of trust should be rewarded. And that for me is keeping the set safe. Okay.